Hello friends, in this video, we will learn how to configure voucher number series in the inventory software. To configure the voucher number series in the inventory software, we have to select the Setup tab in the menu bar and then select Voucher Configuration option from the drop-down menu. After this, the Voucher Configuration tab opens. As we can see, various vouchers are listed here. To change the voucher number series of a voucher type, we have to select the voucher. For non-GST suppliers, the bill of supply voucher type should be configured. For GST registered suppliers, the sale voucher should be configured. For example, to change the voucher number series of bill of supply, we will select the bill of supply voucher, and then we can see voucher series details are displayed here under various columns. Then we will have the option to edit the details as per our choice. First, let us have a look how the bill of supply sales voucher number series looks at the moment. We will launch a sales dialog box using the F8 key. As we can see here, the sales voucher number series starts with prefix BS. Also, as we can see, the tax invoice has prefix INV. Now we will close this and configure the voucher number series. To edit it, we will click on the Edit button, and then the Edit Voucher Configuration dialog box appears. Here we can change the configuration as per our choice. First, we have to select the dates during which the configuration will be followed, as we can see here. Now we will input the desired starting number, for example 101. After this, we can edit the prefix. For example, we will change the prefix from BS to BOS. We can also input suffix if required. Then we will decide on the minimum width of the bill of supply and then click on the OK button, and the bill of supply voucher number series is modified. We can use the Add button to add another configuration for another duration of dates. For example, if from 1st March 2021 we want another configuration, we need to select the dates. Then fill up required configuration, and in that duration of date, the sale print series will automatically be changed. Similarly, let's change the voucher number series for tax invoice. Here we will add suffix in a similar manner. So here we will add FW as a suffix. Now we will see the changes in voucher number series. So let's launch the sales dialog box again. So here we can see that the voucher series has been edited for bill of supply and also tax invoice. Similarly, we can do the same for purchase, receipt, inward quotation, sale and purchase written, etc. You can also switch between automatic voucher number and manual voucher numbers. To do so, click on Edit button in the toolbar. Here you can see the options to switch between manual and automatic voucher numbers. Also, you can allow duplicate voucher numbers. So we saw how we can configure the voucher number series for various vouchers. Thank you.